Good afternoon, children. In the last class, we have learned how to solve HCF using prime factorization method. And today's class, we are going to solve HCF. You can call either HCF or GCD. GCD greatest common divisor, HCF highest common factor. Both are same. By division method, how we are going to find GCD. It is easy also if you understand the problem. Suppose I'll be explaining in the example problem, then I'll be getting into the exercise problem. Find HCF of 240 and 336. We are going to do this by division method. So you have to first compare the numbers 240 and 336. When you compare these numbers, 240 is the smaller number, 336 is bigger number. So you are going to consider 240 as the divisor, 336 as the dividend. This is the first step. Smaller number as divisor, bigger number as dividend. After taking, we are going to divide. 240 only one time will come. 336 minus 240, if you subtract, it is 96. So now we are going to bring the first divisor 240 as a dividend. Then we are going to check in the 96 table. 96 table 2 times 192. If you subtract, it is 48. Now again we are going to bring the divisor as a dividend. This step will be proceeding until you will get the remainder as 0. When you receive the remainder as 0, then the corresponding divisor as your HCF you have to consider. This is the method. If you have two numbers, you are going to do as this. If you have three numbers in the HCF, you will be finding for the first two numbers the HCF. Then you will take this answer and you will compare with the third number and you will find the HCF. Now we are going to solve the exercise problem. Exercise 2D, problem number 2, find the GCD by division method. So this is your question and your first subdivision is 390 and 663. When you arrive at the question, the first step you are going to check is which number is bigger. The bigger number as dividend and smaller number as divisor. So 390 as divisor and the bigger number 663 as dividend. Now when you see in the 390 table, when you compare 392, it will become the bigger number than 663. So we'll be writing 1 times 390. You are going to subtract 663 subtracted by 390. If you subtract, you are getting 273. So you are going to write 273. Now compare this 273 and your divisor. Divisor is bigger. So you are going to write this divisor as dividend 390 and you are going to divide it by 273 what you have subtracted. Now 273 twos are, the answer will be bigger than 390. So one time we are writing and we are going to subtract 390 minus 273. If you subtract, you are getting 117. Now 117 is smaller when you compare to the before divisor. So you are going to take this 273 divisor as your dividend. Now 117 twos are 234. So writing 234 and subtracting. If you subtract, you are getting 39. Now this 39 comparing with the before divisor 117. So 117 is bigger. So using 117 as a dividend. 39 threes are 117. So 117 minus 117, 0. Your remainder is 0. So here, what is your divisor? 39 is your divisor. So that is your HCF. So you have arrived at the answer. HCF is equal to 39. Since in the question they have mentioned the word GCD, we are going to write GCD is equal to 39. In the same model, I have selected third subdivision 504 and 5292. This is your question. Which is smaller number? Your 504 is the smaller number. So this is your divisor. What is your dividend? 5292 is your dividend. We are going to divide it. 3-digit numbers, you are going to take 2-digit number. 1 time 504. When you subtract, you are getting 252. 252 is smaller comparing to the divisor 504. So bringing this 504 as your dividend. Now 252 twos are 504. So 2 times 504, subtracting 504 minus 504, it is your 0. So your divisor is your GCD. GCD is equal to 252. So in the same model, you are going to solve the remaining problems from the problem number 2. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. After completing the classwork, send the images to my personal number and also your homework problems. If you have any doubt, you can call and ask me. Thank you, students.